Section A, which is carrying 20 marks. So section A is carrying 20 marks, and the instruction for this section are as follows. The instructions are as follows. Answer all questions. So you need to answer all the questions, 1 up to 20, you answer them all. Mark your answers with a cross on the answer grid provided in the answer booklet. So what you need to know is by now, by the time you reach to write section A, to start writing your answers, you should make sure that you have got the answer booklet. Mostly you are going to pull it out of the center of the question paper. So once you have that, then you are good to go. So once you have written your details on the answer booklet, you need to make sure that you have put your particulars there according to the way the information that is requested. Mostly is your school code, your examination number. Those are the most important two informations that you need to write on your answer booklet. Your school code, your examination number, those you don't have to miss them. Okay, I've just the third one has slipped my mind, please, but you make sure you fill in all those details. Now once you've done that, then you come to section A and you start writing your answers. Don't forget to write your details, and on every page you put your examination numbers in case there is an accident where your answer sheet, your answer booklet is split into parts. They are able to identify the owner of the paper that is split in pieces, or the booklet that has been split into individual papers. Okay, so once you have done that, then you are good to go and answer the questions. So you write your answers on the answer booklet that should be provided or come with the question paper. Okay, so that's what you need to do. So with that being said, let's go straight into question 1. Question 1 is as follows. LAM stands for A. Random access memory, B. Random accessing memory, C. Read access memory, D. Read accessing memory. The correct answer for question 1 is A. Random access memory. Question 2 is as follows. A dash is an example of automatic input device. A dash is an example of automatic input device. A. Keyboard, B. Keypad, C. Mouse, D. Sensor. So the correct answer here is D. Sensor. Sensor is an example of automatic input device. That's the correct answer, D. Question 3 is as follows. Which of the following memory sizes is the smallest? Which of the following memory sizes is the smallest? So we have A, which is 0.9 GB, B, 1.8 MB, C, 102 kilobyte, D, 2048 bytes. Okay, so for us to determine the correct answer, we need to convert these memory sizes into 1 unit. Okay, all of them, they should be in 1 unit. Okay, so the smallest unit in memory size is bytes. Okay, so bytes, that's the smallest unit. So that's where we're going to convert all the memories into. So that means D will remain the same. It's going to be 2048 bytes. Then we are going to convert 102 kilobyte. Okay, so 102 kilobyte, that is 102,000 bytes. Okay, then B, 1.8 megabyte. So 1.8 megabyte is equal to 1,800,000 bytes. Okay, then we come to A, which is 0.9 gigabyte. So 0.9 gigabytes will be converted to 900 million bytes. Okay, so that is the conversion. So it's going to be 900 million bytes. Okay, now the question is, which of the following memory size is the smallest? So our question now is, which number is smaller among these numbers I've written? So the smallest number is 2048 bytes. So the correct answer is D. Question 4 is as follows. Dash bar is the top row of a window of an application where its name is shown. Dash bar is the top row of a window of an application where its name is shown. A. Menu, meaning menu bar is the top row of a window of an application where its name is written. No. B. Task. Taskbar is the top row of the window of an application where the name is written. No. C. Title. Title bar is the top row of the window of an application where its name is written or is shown. C is correct. Title bar is where the name of an application written. D. Toolbar is the top row of a window of an application where its name is shown. No, the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Question 5. Dash is the type of software that manages hardware such as storage device. Dash is the type of software that manages hardware such as storage device. A. Application software. B. Generic software. C. Operating system. D. Payload system. The correct answer is C. Operating system. Question 6 is as follows. Which function key on the keyboard opens the spell checker dialog box? Which function key on the keyboard opens the spell checker dialog box? A. F12, B. F9, C. F8, D. F7. The correct answer is D. F7. F7 opens a spell checker box. Okay. Question 7 is as follows. Dash is used to connect computers so that files are shared on a network without using wires. Dash is used to connect computers so that files are shared on a network without using wires. A. Protocol. B. Server. C. Sensor. D. Wi-Fi. So what is connected to the computer to share files is Wi-Fi, which is D. D is the correct answer. Question 8 is as follows. Which of the following optical storage media show the storage size from the largest to the smallest? Which of the following optical storage media shows the storage sizes from the largest to the smallest? A. DVD to VCD to CD. That's correct. DVD is bigger than VCD and VCD is bigger than CD. Okay, so A is correct. Let's just go through the other options. B. DVD to CD. So that's where the mistake is. It should not from CD to VCD. It should be VCD to CD. C. VCD then DVD. That's why it's wrong. It should be DVD to VCD. VCD to CD, correct, but where it is wrong is CD to DVD. DVD is the biggest among all the three. So the correct answer is A. Question 9 is as follows. In Excel, the symbol that you can see on the screen there, in Excel, that symbol is used for, okay, in the Excel, that symbol there is used for what? A. Addition. B. Division. C. Multiplication. D. Subtraction. The correct answer is A. Addition. That symbol is used for addition. Question 10. How can personal data be protected from hackers? How can personal data be protected from hackers? By A, backing up information. When you back up the information, that means you just have the second storage of the same information somewhere, so it can't protect the hackers. It can't protect you from the hackers. Sorry, it can't protect you from the hackers. You just have information on another storage. Okay. B, changing password frequently. Yes, this one can help. Changing passwords frequently can help. If the hacker gets to know the other password, you change it first, then you'll find another password, and it will be very difficult for that hacker to access your information. C, clicking on email attachments. No, this one will even risk you to be attacked by hackers. It will put more risk on hackers to attack your information. D, decrypting the information. Okay, so when you encrypt the information, that means you secure your information. Immediately you decrypt it, that means your information will be easily accessed. So the correct answer here is B, changing passwords frequently. Question 11 is as follows. The CPU and dash are two examples of processing device. The CPU and dash are two examples of processing device. A, compact disk. B, hard disk. C, memory card. D, network card. The correct answer is D, network card. Okay, the CPU and the network card are two examples of processing devices. Okay, so that's the correct answer. The disk card, hard disk, memory card, these are storage devices. Question 12 is as follows. To dash is to bring information into a program from another program. To dash is to bring information into a program from another program. A, export. Okay, so this one we can just go with the vocabulary of words, English words. To export is sending something away from where you are. B, forward. This is like when you receive, then you send it somewhere else again, or you get it from somewhere and then send it to other contacts, okay, or other destinations. C, indent. D, import. So to import, that is bringing something from somewhere into where you are. Okay, so import is the opposite of export. Export, you are sending out. Import, you are bringing in. Okay, so that is the correct answer is D. 12, the correct answer is D. Question 13 is as follows. Which file extension is suitable for storing images for web pages? Which file extension is suitable for storing images for web pages? A, PNG. B, PDF. C, TIFF. D, TXT. Okay, so the correct extension for storing images for web pages is A, PNG. PNG. Question 14 is as follows. How are activities controlled in the computer system? How are activities controlled in the computer system? By using the A, CPU. B, flash disk. C, hard disk. D, NIC. The correct answer is A, CPU. By using the CPU. How are the activities controlled in the computer system? By using the CPU. Question 15. The type of license that gives users the right to use and what to use an application software for is called. The type of license that gives users the right to use and what to use an application software for is called A. End user license agreement. That is correct, but we'll go through other answers. However, A is correct. B. End user license rights. C. Shareware license agreement. D. Shareware license rights. The correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. Question 16 is as follows. What is produced on a document in Word when Control and equal sign are pressed at the same time? What is produced on the document in Word when Control and equal sign are pressed at the same time? A. Double line. B. Strike through. C. Subscript. D. Superscript. So the correct answer is C. Subscript. When you press and the equal sign, what is produced on a document in a word is subscript. So the correct answer is C. Question 17. In Excel, the correct formula to add numbers from column C and column F in a row number 3 is. In Excel, the correct formula to add numbers from column C and column F in a row number 3 is A. Equal add C3 F3. B. Equal add in open bracket C3 comma F3 close bracket. C. Equal C3 plus F3. D. Equals C open bracket C3 colon F3 close bracket. So the correct answer is C, which is equals C3 plus F3. Question 18. Dash is the type of software that hides itself and damages other computer software and files. Dash is the type of software that hides itself and damages other computer software and files. A. Antivirus. B. Hacker. C. Trojan horse. D. Virus tracker. So the correct answer is C. Trojan horse is the type of software that hides itself and damages other computer software and files. So the correct answer is C. Question 19 is as follows. In Word, the feature that enables a user to send one common letter to many people at once is called. In Word, the feature that enables a user to send one common letter to many people at once is called A. Mail merge. B. Mail navigation. C. Template. D. Wizard. The correct answer is A. Mail merge. Mail merge. Okay. Question 20 is as follows. Payment of goods at supermarket using a debit card is done through a system known as electronic fund dash. Payment of goods at a supermarket using a debit card is done through a system known as electronic fund dash. A. Electronic fund exchange at point of sale. So A, that is exchange at point of sale. B. Exchange at supermarket. C. Transfer at point of sale. D. Transfer at supermarket. So the correct answer is C. Transfer at point of sale. Transfer at point of sale.